Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hopefully the sound it's all right. We'll give it 3 more minutes until we get everyone on board, and then we can proceed. Slowly drinking a coffee, uh, looking at what we might have from the charts here, and doing some little plans because the market is looking good. Market is looking good. Yeah. And I mean, Bitcoin it's expanding right now. Look at the position of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the altcoins. I'm insanely bullish on what's to come on altcoins. Just my 2 cents. I think people are overlooking. They are ignoring the the possibility of percentage gains that altcoins might give on the upcoming period. Just my 2 cents. And their location, it's insanely good. We'll be going through. Most of them also, I'll be doing some analysis on total tree, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm looking at this potential swing failure of the lows here in the 61.8, but we'll speak about that one. I had to redo the link, so yeah, hopefully everyone is on board on the right one. I had some issues from YouTube. I don't know what it was. All right, let's share it up. All right. If you can read with that one. I did a mistake with the first one. I think it was from Twitter. I don't know what. From YouTube. I don't know what was going on because it wasn't showing the link as public. It was showing it as private. So feel free to share now if you like. It helps us a lot. All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another trading series. Back from the holidays. We are fully back at trading. And man, what a time to be alive. From a perspective of location, of the possibilities that market is showing right now. And keep in mind, once again, guys, the Bitcoin broke the all-time high, the previous all-time high. Actually, it almost doubled from the previous all-time high, yeah, 65,000. It's, yeah, 120,000 is just around the corner. So Bitcoin almost doubled from the previous all-time high, while Ethereum, it's way below the all-time high, way below. So if we are looking at from a fee perspective here, yeah, we might say that, I mean, look at this, it's around 61.8. Um, and this is insane. Um, what's up to come for Ethereum and for the altcoin space? A thing that it's ignored by most of people that are actually saying the market is done. Well, I don't know how the market is done, but Ethereum being below previous all-time high, it's a fact. And Ethereum breaking the all-time high is just a matter of time. $8,000, 6.9. It's just a matter of time, not a matter of if. So keep that in mind. Yeah, um, don't lose the focus and don't lose the bigger picture. The bigger picture is the fact is that Ethereum is still below the previous all-time high. Yeah. There are some theses that I was making here, and I was looking at for Ethereum. We have plenty equal lows here, plenty of equal lows here at in the fair value gap and this W. So I was looking for a retest of this one. As you see here, for example, I had the same. It was about the same scenario. The market pumped really nicely. I need to do this. The market displays the previous range with a nice candle, exactly like we did here. Consolidated for a few weeks. We had a quick dump, and that was the bottom. You can see it. I'm not saying that we need to have the same thing right now, yeah, because we can leave this equal lows here untapped and market just to go higher. But in case this happens, you need to be prepared. I mean, on the bigger picture, it's nothing. It's just a 15% dump on Ethereum. That would mean, I don't know, 20, 25, 30% dump on altcoins. But I'm just putting in perspective that it can happen. It might happen. It's not necessarily required to happen, all right? But right after that, you can see actually the price has doubled 1.2 to $2.2 thousand. So almost it's about 80% gain. So I can see happening. It's not a necessity. It's not something that necessarily should happen, a sweep of these equal lows. But if it happens, you need to be prepared. And I don't know. I will long with two hands, if not with three hands. All right, I will long it. It will be just an opportunity because look at this W and the target of the W. If we look from a perspective, actually we should look at this one. Just my 2 cents. I already have them drawn up here, 6.9 thousand and 8.6 thousand. So I do think that a lot of people will be left behind and liquidated by that potential move. I'm not saying it can happen, or I'm not saying it will happen, but it can happen. All right. So keep that in mind. The same stuff happened here. But in the same time, if we go on the daily time frame, we can see that we have a power of 3, clear one here, and reclaim the S&R. I'm not saying that we need to test the flipped level, yeah, but it's actually really interesting on how Ethereum is doing the same pattern over and over and over and over again. We have the same pattern here. You can see it. So right now the question remains to we will get an expansion from this area or we get a retest back of the initial W. And here I posted already my plans in the VIP. I posted on Twitter, but I'll not post the setup with entry, stop loss and take profit. But there are two probabilities here on how the market would react and how I would position myself in both of the probabilities. Well, if the market goes straight up from here, we are already positioned long. We have a long from this area, and we have another long from 32 here, 3200. Yeah, there you go. I'm still long on this ones, and PJ mentioned a lot of time don't close the trades because the risk to reward can be absolutely insane. So in case that the price is just going straight up from this formation here, which is quite weird, this formation. It's not bearish necessarily, um, but I don't like it. I mean, I don't like to trade something like this. You can trade it, you can do whatever you want. But actually, my ideal scenario it's swing failure of all these lows take all the liquidity, tap the previous S&R level and the breakout W here, and then make the expansion. And here I will long with two hands, but I don't know. I think too many people are looking at the same thing here, and there is a probability that we might not get it and get straight the expansion from this area. It's a probability, yeah. By the way, guys, I see only two retweets. Please go and retweet that link or give it a like so the algo can put it in the front and get more people here. If you enjoy hearing me blabbing away. All right, going on low time frame. Let's go on 30 minutes. So go and smash that retweet and that like button. All right. So technically we can see that price it's rejecting uh, the upper trend lines, but in the same time it's forming a nice demand, an ascending demand, which might end in a really nice short squeeze to the upside. Let me check the aggregated data. I'm really curious on how spot it's behaving on this area. All right, and I'll check the CVD too. Not Bitcoin, thank you. I want Ethereum templates, full Ethereum. All right. Oh, 5 minutes. Spot is holding above perpetual. That's very good. And 1 hour. I like this. I like this, guys. So, but why they flashed it? Ah, okay. I see it. I like it. Fuck me. Oh, sorry. I'm not allowed. I like this one. I mean, this flash on last night, it cleaned the perps here. It seems like actually it seems like I won't get my I won't get my dip. uh, it's looking very good. It's looking very good. I didn't saw this one. I mean, I was sleeping on that time, and it's normal not to see it, but it's looking very good because you can see perps they have closed the position and have been liquidated, while actually long they spot they have long really nicely here. That's a really good sorry, that's a really good view. It's a really good indication over there. I like it. I like it. One second. There you go. So that makes me think that even if the price will be dumping further, you can see the spot it's actually open to buy these areas. So I'm pretty sure that if we get a dump below this all this liquidity, um, a flush, I think spot will grow even higher and they will start bidding even more aggressively here. While perpetual, it might be flashed even lower, and that's very good for the current price action. I like it. I like what I see. So yeah, Ethereum it's still looking insanely good. I don't care too much about the heat map SL because I can see the heat map on my candles. If you know how to read the candles, you can see the heat map on your candles. But yeah, I'm checking it from time to time on Coinalyze, and I have the heat map actually um, on my template. Yeah, but it's basically it's a no-brainer. Exactly as I mentioned, the liquidity lies below this week's 35, and then we have liquidity above. But I don't think it will go. I mean, the liquidity is showing, you can see it's showing these equal lows, which you can see them with the naked eyes. You don't need the liquidity heat map to see all these levels here. If you know how to read the candles and how to read the liquidity based on where the people would have the stop loss and stuff like that, you already are in a good position. Let me check OBV on Ethereum, and CVD. 1 hour. OBV is looking nice. OBV is looking nice. OBV is looking nice. I like it. So I clicked. It's 200 and 100 EMAs. So 200 and 100 EMAs. Nothing too fancy. I don't want to overcomplicate anything. One second. So I'm doing the drawing here. The CVD is not looking great because price is making higher highs, while the CVD is making lower highs, and that is not a desirable scenario. It's not anything bad, but it's just the fact that it shows that buyers are a bit exhausted. And actually, you can see that on the chart that I posted earlier. Spot is buying like crazy, and OBV it's sustaining that thesis. Well, that's good. That's good. So if we put these two things in confluence, let me get out the heat map liquidation. Right. So the idea is sustained by the fact that yeah, spot is buying like crazy. So we might get that exhausted buyers maybe from the perps, because perps they are not really interested in Ethereum here, which is good. Just my 2 cents. All right, we blabbed away too much about Ethereum. I'm bullish. That to to if you want to remember one point about Ethereum, well, I'm bullish. I'm really bullish. Ethereum is below previous all-time high, while Bitcoin is almost twice, almost 2 times above the all-time high. Simple as that. You want to be bullish. All right, so I'm not sure if I want to long something like this. I was looking at a potential 61.8 swing failure of the equal lows, maybe, of this area. Maybe a trend line deviation here. Yeah, that would be something. If I get a trend line deviation, reclaim, I would long something like this, I think. With an alarm here, a good restore ratio, I will target new high. So yeah, something like this, I think I would scalp, but I'll do that on the VIP, because I'll zoom in on low time frame and get my high restore ratio trade. All right, let's go on Bitcoin. Well, really strong move here. A really strong move here. And what I like about that one is that, well, look, some M's here. Look at this M on. I think PJ is already hunting altcoins with the THG. He has his M on 1 hour. I think he already has some THG trades running. So I'm not necessarily looking for a dump today. We might have a midweek reversal, so we might speak about a potential retracement tomorrow. Let's look at daily. So yeah, we swept Monday high on Bitcoin. Still, I think we have equal highs here, untapped liquidity in the daily fair value gap, and price didn't retested the previous S&R from this breaker area. So I think the price can push a little bit higher into this area. Yeah, something like this. Swing failure, the equal highs. Then I would be looking for a potential three drives here, first, second, third one. Something like this. Target the equal lows with a clear 5.69. I'd be looking for something like that. I'd be looking for something like that. And I think it's a pretty good probability trade here. It depends a lot on how aggressive the price will swing failure the high. Because if I see the price just closing above my swing failure, like I had here, for example, you can see this displacement, this candle. I don't want to short something like that. Yesterday, I planned on shorting Bitcoin indeed on VIP, but that was on a scalping level. PJ, it's already short on a 4-hour time frame. But on scalping time frame, I was planning to short on 5-15 minutes. I saw some people got disoriented. Why I'm not shorting yet? Because I said, don't fucking short, don't fucking short. Yeah. Because I mentioned on my plan, well, you want to see clear rejection, and we didn't have any rejection. Actually, the price displaced, you can see the previous high. This is not a rejection, all right? It's a displacement, so it's a sign of strength. So I think it was the wise decision. Keep in mind that when you are protecting capital, you're keeping the money in your pocket. So I think you're in a very, very, very good position. The second best trade is a break even. Keep that in mind. All right. Okay. So if I get my triggers here, if I see a swing failure, aggressive swing failure of the highs, and then price accepting below the previous high, I think I will take a trade like this. 5.69 R, pretty good risk to reward ratio. I would take this one on Ethereum, and also I would be looking for it on something like this. I'll not short. Everyone is asking me for short. No, guys, I'm not shorting. And if I'm shorting on my account, I won't say if I'm going on a 1 minute short because I'm using a little account for that. Paul know what I'm speaking about, a degen account. If I want to short, it uses isolated margins, so in case that I get a gut candle, I will not lose money. But a beginner, if does that and says, but Stefan said short, okay, he entered with 5% or 10% or 20. Holy moly, the 20% from his capital, well, he's going to get liquidated, and I'll be the one to be blamed. But these are just my ideas. This is what I'm doing. I don't say that you need to do that. Never. You need to make your own plan, your own decisions based on your own analysis and confluences. All right? Blabbing away too much here. So Ethereum, plan made, Bitcoin, plan made, something like this. Do I have an alarm here? Not yet. Create one. Create one. I want an alarm around here. All right, so I think we have the drawings done on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now we can go into some altcoins. All right. So, what's your view on alts when Bitcoin retraces? Well, Jade, pump the crap out of them. You know my overview on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance top should be in. Yeah. My target, upcoming target for Bitcoin dominance, then the first one actually, it's 53%. Then I'm looking forward on a 48%. These two are the two big next targets. We are rejecting the M neckline here on a 3 days chart. You can see the beautiful double top pattern here, the M. Nothing we can do here. Actually, we wait for the price to retrace. I'm waiting for something like this. But right now, I say that I would position myself long on alts when the price gets here. I already see the 1 hour M there breaking down. So let's hunt for some potential altcoins. Let's put by the change, Doge, 15 minutes, 1 hour actually. Uh, Aggregated, AGGR, Lulus. Hey, Manuel, morning. I think altcoins right now, they are in a reaccumulation phase. I would not necessarily look at actually, we can look at the potential bot here on altcoins and potential LJ. And this one created also a lower low. So let's look 15 minutes. I have my W here. Oh, damn it. Should I long this one? Emmanuel, I'm not going to. I don't have the time here to explain how to frame a setup and what a setup is from zero. If you want to do that, join Discord and then you'll get all your information from the setups area. I think I'll take this one. What's the target? Is that a third? No, 61.8. Yeah, falls exactly with the 61.8. Yeah, I'll take it. 8.6 or 6.6. I have my W, so let's go with the 8.2. Maybe we get another swing failure here of the highs. Let's delete them. Right. Let me take the trade and pause the trade. VIP. Man, I'm feeling like a typo, like a chick from, I don't know, um, with this mechanical keyboard. Okay, so I have this setup. I like it. I'll take it. Definitely, I will TP1 around here at the range highs to make my trade risk free, and then I don't care about it. Let's go and see some more setups here. Nice power of 3 here potentially if we go. Not really. Yeah, I'll be going on Tao too. Hey, Bukur. Well, you are a VIPer, man. I need to post entry, stop loss, and every information required there. That's my trading corner. Man, I like Solana a lot, but for me, potential scalp here, it's already played. I mean, I would have entered somewhere around here or here. I would have had my entry, yeah, and I would have already been risk-free. So, but sadly, I didn't took. I didn't look at Solana yesterday. 11. Yeah, it was yesterday. Nothing I can do now. Let's go back. Okay. Saga. Saga is not looking bad, but already the high has been taken. Oh my God. Now I get it why you guys are making fun of me. 1.81. It's not easy to live stream, put the trade on my exchange, uh, then post it, frame for it live. I dare you to do the same, guys. I want you to guys to give me some setups too. Now I saw what I posted on VIP. Okay, so Sonic got rebranded or not yet? Right, man. I love, I really love that VIP community we made right there. All right. Algo, not looking bad for another rally here. I see a lot of you from VIP. You are here, so I'm glad. Man, QNT is looking nice. QNT. Uh, well, laughing a little bit makes good for your health. Yeah, I absolutely love VIP. And not what I'm doing, but I love the quality of people that we have there. Absolutely love that one. And a big thumbs up to PJ because he's taking care of the bad behaviors, is not me. He's cleaning. Gala, interesting here. Ooh, Gala, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, we'll be looking at. Damn it, damn it! Look at this LJ. I don't think I have a bot because my 38.2 might not be touched. Yeah, actually it is. Guys, I see expansion on altcoins in the upcoming hours. I see expansion in the upcoming hours. Damn, they are looking very good. 7.66. I'll post this one. Yeah, I'm sorry I can't put the reasons and um, confluences on VIP right now. Okay, I want to put them on my. I want to take the trades too. All right. Yeah, I see a lot of bullish setups right now, guys. I see bullish setups, and it falls exactly in the accordingly to the plan that I posted a few days ago on Bitcoin dominance, and we already see that it's rejecting here. So that's a good uh, indication that we might see altcoins ripping in the next hours. Let's look at the Say. I'm pretty bullish on Say. I'm pretty bullish on Say. You can see my Say target. It's two bucks. What you want here on Say? Daily, weekly, monthly, 1 second time frame, 1 minute. 1 minute or one week. Just let me know the time frame. Uh, I'm bullish on Say. I'm accumulating Say. Just my 2 cents. The risking area, I mean, sell half on a double. It's close. I mean, look at this one. It's it's in the short reload zone. So your get risk free position bag, it's at around 78.6. So easy trade here. Easy trade on spot. Yeah. So I'll get risk free really easy. It's a no-brainer play for me, Say. So higher. I don't know where from where, but from which area, but I already see a bottom forming here, and actually I bought quite a lot of Say here. I have the maximum capacity of my bags on Say. Um, very good indication from PJ there, guys. So getting my bag risk-free 100%, meaning I sell half on a double, it's a no-brainer and easy, damn easy play here. Um, easy play. FWOG, fog. Ew, man, I don't like altcoin, meme coins. Not all of them, but mainly they are more of a hype play than. I mean, the hype is what matters on altcoins the most. If they are losing the hype, then mm, 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 I don't like it. I expect it for it to dump in the 78.6 to 88.6. So wait for it to go here in this area. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm not touching it here. I'm touching it here. What's this? Ah, fog. Okay. I see this one shield a lot. So I'm not a big fan. When a coin is shield, I'm not a big fan of that. Just my 2 cents. Swing high, lower low. I don't know what analogy you're making there, Jade, but I see fog going lower. Maybe you're emotionally attached to fog, but I see it going lower. All right, swell is looking good. Swell is looking good. Well, it's looking good. Um, I do TA. I'm not doing any analogy of Ethereum doing well or Pepe or whatever. Based on the TA, fog, it's going lower. It's not looking bullish. There's nothing bullish on that chart. All right. Actually, we might have a setup here, but we have it on perpetual, not fog. fuck me. This is when. Yeah, actually, we have it on Binance, so it basically is the same stuff. I'm looking for a potential trend line breakout here. I want to see my W. We have a lot of Ws. W here, W here, W here. Looks like the price it's trying to hold above the neckline, but mm, I'll give it a few more hours. Maybe I'll look at this one tomorrow. Let's put some alarms in case it breaks out or breaks down. But give it a little bit more time. You want to see something like this. I mean, I want to see this blue line displaced, and I see it consolidated. So that's not a good indication for me to get in a position. All right. Well, we have an entry on Ondo. Yeah, we have an entry actually. All right. We have an entry. I heard the ping from my exchange, and I was like, okay, something happened. All right, let's get back on. I made an analysis on total tree today? I don't think so. And this is bullish. This is bullish. I said we have this bull flag correction here, ABC, which I think is done. Um, and I'm looking forward on an AB equals CD, which would point out to 1.4045. Um, yeah, so we can see already the price has broke the the bull flag. I'm not saying it cannot transform to something like this. So just go in the range high and maybe double top, but I don't think we are in that phase. So I think this phase is pretty bullish here, and I can see expansion happening in the upcoming weeks. Yeah, so this is bullish. Ethereum, Bitcoin, I'm pretty bullish on this one. I just posted on VIP and on X this morning. If I get a swing failure of this equal lows in 61.8, I think I'll be looking too long my altcoin. Sorry. Total, it's looking really, really, really nice. What I have here. It's a weekly drawing. What is this? Oh yeah. I don't know when I did this. Maybe I was drunk, but it looks good. And Ethereum, yeah, same stuff here. I'm long, strong. I love the chart. I love how it's looking and higher. Let's look at some altcoins. All right, enough with blabbing away. What was it? Luna. All right. Ooh, Zen, but it's too high. I saw this one. Bake, Ape, Amp. Let me know if you have how you name them requests. I'll go over some requests. Ah, good one. Pyth. I was actually looking yesterday at Pyth, and I was looking at Pyth and the other one, Jupiter. Yeah. And I think they are overlooked. I think people they are not giving them enough attention, because if we look from a range perspective here, it's about 200% move here. Yeah. And we already start doing some daily Ws around here. I think it's a bit premature. We might want the price to be going on the other side of the trend line. So we might have a rejection here, maybe take the equal lows, and then have a nice expansion. Hey, good morning, good morning. But I mean, if we look at the start and the top, we are below 88.6. If we take the new fib levels here, yeah, we might be a little bit too high. But taking in consideration the people that started buying around here, they are way underwater. And we have lots of W's. So here we have a double bottom pattern already breaking out. Price retested it 3 times. This accumulation pattern, it's looking insanely well, and most likely it will end up with an expansion to the upside. I mean, these charts are not given the proper attention that they should have. I'm gonna get a lot of DMs in this second. What is going on? All right. Do not disturb. And I was looking at Jupiter, same stuff here. If you think that we we are right above, you can see the price, it's taking this one as an SNR. We are right above the listing price, yeah. And we are Wing here, which is pretty nice. It's looking pretty nice. So I would do the same thing here. You can see daily W retest and higher. I expect the same stuff to happen around here. Where is my, okay, range? This is one. So targeting the range highs, once again, an easy trade. I don't know, for the upcoming period, I wouldn't necessarily be looking for just 100%. And you'll say, just 100%? Well, someone would give a hand. Well, guys, the upcoming period, you only have it once at 4 years, maybe. Um, so I think you'd like to go and get those juicy 4x, 5x, which are easily doable across the board. We can look, for example, at peer after that, and that I think peer is an easy 3x or 4x from here. I mean, this high didn't create a new low actually. External low, not looking bad. And let's go at fight. I was looking at this one. What I would like on Pyth actually, it's the fact that we didn't yet reclaim POC. So I'm not a big fan of the fact that we didn't yet reclaim POC, but I think it takes its time. Not a bad thing. Please, my friend. I don't have too many friends, Jack. I don't have too many friends. So if we look at the consolidation period below below the listing price. You see, we are speaking about 200 days consolidation, so this is pretty nice. Um, you told us you have a big bag of sui. You are kind to let us know what are you like. Emmanuel, I have a big bag of sui, but I'm not going to sell anything too soon. Yeah, I'm not going to sell anything too soon. I wait for my P cycle top. One indication that I might want to start selling SUI, it's Ethereum getting at 6,000 or $8,000 or P cycle top. Until then, I'm not touching my SUI bag. It's one of the best performers. Same like Injective. Injective, I bought it really early. I have a really nice entry on it, and I don't aim to sell it too soon. So I don't know, it can go to 15 bucks, 20 bucks. I'm just waiting. So my plan says Ethereum needs to break the all-time high and then have the expansion phase, and then me to see that P cycle top ringing, and then I might consider selling my bags. That's my plan. Can you please check XAI? Let's check XAI and then Litecoin. Okay. XAI, I was looking at an LJ here. I was looking at an LJ, and well, we have the W here. So if you want to, if you're not long yet on XAI, let's see a poke here. Not looking bad. Not looking bad. XAI is looking good. XAI is looking very good here. So higher. Litecoin. I think Litecoin is a bit too high for my taste. Yeah. I wouldn't touch Litecoin. I mean, if you're long from the 60s area, yeah. And I have a bag from this 60s, 50, 60. Here, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Yeah, it can go to 200 bucks easily. Easily, we can have a swing failure of this highs at $300. Yeah, swing failure of this one. So you can have an easy 2x from here, but I'm not touching it. Just my 2 cents. I'm not touching it on an investment point of view, but on trading, we might. We can have a bot AB equals CD here with this W and potential LJ. I can see this one here. But I think I have enough exposure in the market. What? My gala it's on? Not yet. I think I have enough exposure on the market right now. Let's go with this one. And an old trader. Well, it's looking good. It's looking damn good. Previous S&R flipped. I'd be looking for this one. So we are inside this range right now. We can see this confluence here around here would be the first target. We reclaimed POC. You can see where the real accumulation phase has been taking place over there. It's looking good. I'm in the area where you wanted to buy, and actually I have a bag of this one. It's here around 1.5, 1.8. Even we have an LJ long, lots of W's here, you name them, but I think the price will be trading at 5.5 area in a no time. So yeah, it's looking good. It's like a no-brainer play there. All right. Man, we are almost into 1 hour, and I think I'll keep it 1 hour. I'll be 5 more minutes here. If you have any questions, please let me know. I mean, yeah, you have a W here, so you can get along. It's already retested. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's already been retested around here. Oliver, I cannot recommend anything, and I will not recommend anything. I'm not that kind of person who recommends buy this or buy that. I take the trades for myself if I like the setups, if I like the risk to reward ratio, if it fits my kind of trading style, and so on. Yes, it's just a fixed volume profile, fixed range volume profile. There's a lot of altcoins that are looking good right now. A lot of them. Yeah. I said I'll be I'll be showing peer here. So peer is just an example of what I was mentioning earlier. You can already see the power of 3 here, the manipulation of the lows. All right, sorry, my daughter asked me something. So you can already see the manipulation taking place here, and we reclaimed pretty nicely. And look at this retest. Actually, I bought pretty big bag here, and I know BJ bought some too. So this one, it's a no-brainer. This one is a no-brainer. Well, this week just retested the previous breakout level, Jade. They just retested the previous breakout level here of the power of 3. That's all. Mm, it can be. I'm not saying it's impossible to be swept. It can be swept. There is no certainties in trading. There's only probabilities. I know what you want. I know what you want, Jade. You want to get rich with one trade? Yeah. So there is a probability for that low to be swept. That's why in trading we have probabilities and we use proper risk management. Otherwise, we'll get fucked really easy. Well, I think you want to when you're asking something like that, when you say, do you think that week will be taken? Uh, I know what you want to do. All right. We are into 1 hour. So many alts at 2023 levels. Yeah. Yeah, and I think this was just a manipulation before the real expansion comes. So keep in mind that weekly speaking and high time frame speaking, the market will not be moving. I don't know how to put it. We will be moving pretty slow, but if you are able to plan everything in advance and you have a good sense of where you are and where market is in that point in time, you can get position really, really good. Well, if you want the best entries, Jade, you need to plan everything in advance. If you're doing that, then well done. If you're not planning, then you're going to have a hard time because market will not give you second chances. You can see, I don't know, you can see here this dump before the real expansive movement. So plan everything in advance. I bought massively when we had a dump. I bought here. I don't know. I'm quite allocated into altcoins right now. This one doesn't want to give me the expansion that I want, but still it's above daily open, so we can have. I gave it a little bit more room. Well, I think that was it for today. The plans are made for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm just waiting right now to get my triggers and position myself accordingly. Where the heck is Ethereum? Ethereum. I don't have it. I don't know what the hell is going on. Sorry. All right. Is this the plan? Yeah, I think this is the plan. Yeah, you get the idea. There you go. I'm waiting now. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Plans are made. Now I'm just waiting to execute my setups. Always focus on plans. Always focus on executing accordingly. Always use proper risk management. And don't lose the bigger picture, guys. Don't lose the bigger picture. Also, keep in mind that if you want to trade with us daily, I am live streaming daily. I'm streaming with a VIP trading session. I'm also trading in the New York trading session with PJ and the Gladiators. If you want to be part of Crypto Traders Arena, well, I don't know, but this community, it changed my life for real. I remember when I started trading with PJ, and it was the best decision that I ever made, because the point in which I am right now, it changed the way I see the things, and it changed everything about my current status. So if you really want a professional community to trade with, we are here. We have DeFi, we have memes, we have day trades, we have 3 investment plans that you can start and invest in. The VIP membership, it's my trading corner. Then you have the premium, which gives access to the TAG indicator. And then you have the VIP, where is my trading corner. I'm live streaming daily. And then you have, if you really, really want to level up and learn the way that we are trading, you have the trading schools. So Capua 1, 4 months of intensive trading, and Capua 2, where I am um, the teacher, to put it like that, where you have 3 months of intensive trading and access in the VIP live trading sessions. This is something that we are doing live for and daily for more than 2 years. So if you want to be part of us, you know where to find us. Capua means a school, if in the old Roman uh, uh, culture. Yeah, it's a school of gladiators. I don't know, but I think 2025 it's the year where you want to have everything planned, and you want to have everything clear. Um, there is no room for questions. There is no room for mistakes. Just my 2 cents, guys. When the expansion move will come, if you will do mistakes, if you will not be if you'll not be well planned with everything, the potential losses will be insane. So have everything well planned in advance and be in a good position. Just my 2 cents. And if you don't know how to do that, we are here. Just DM me, ask me, come in the Discord and put your questions. That being said, thank you very, very much for being here. I'll be live with PJ again in 4 hours at the London trading session. I don't think we'll have too much volatility until then. I will not take any other trades than the one posted here. That being said, thank you very much for watching and see you guys in the next trading session. Bye bye.